George! How's the George? How's the goddamn George?
There are a lot of people asking how to prepare for CDS in short time. Some are even asking when they are in college how to prepare. Everybody prepares during college time. So, firstly, I want to tell there is no shortcuts. You have to plan your studies, read newspaper, go for news, cover sports event, read history, read geography, cover political events, go for English grammar. That's how you are able to prepare. There are no shortcuts, and shortcut will not take you anywhere. Yeah, your question is what to do when there are negative thoughts about the exam or when exam is very close. Firstly, you have to come out of this negativism. These negative thoughts are not going to take you anywhere. And gentlemen, let me tell you why these negative thoughts. Firstly, fear of unknown. First time you are appearing, you don't know what kind of questions may come. It is in everybody's psyche that fear of unknown always stays with us. But then we have to overpower it. If we overpower it, we will win. If fear overpowers us, fear will win. How we can overpower the fear? That is by making a detailed studies, at least start 6 months in advance, listen to news every day, and carry out time practice so that you're not surprised in the exams by number of questions and time allotted for it. So, you can overpower anything by this. Believe in yourself. You have asked what is the need of exam, what is the need of CDS exam for going to IMA. Let me tell you, then India has got a very huge population of approximately 1.35 billion. How you segregate people? There has to be some standards. Even if I tell you to segregate some people for a particular task, out of 20, you will, when you have to select 4, you will have some criteria, either some very strong people or very tall people or very muscular people or very intelligent people. You look into their certificates. Similarly, exams are conducted. It is after seeing your certificate, then how much knowledge you have retained. And only then it can be done. It cannot be done on the just seeing the facial expression or your smartness. It cannot be a judging standard. You have to undergo an exam. We have been undergoing an exam. There's nothing great. Every year we undergo exam. Every month we undergo exams. And this is also an exam. Whosoever is better, he will come ahead. He will move ahead. And after his exam, then then your SSB is there. Again a segregation is there. Then the merit is there. Again a segregation is there. So you should be bold enough to have faith in yourself. Exams are just formalities. If you have got in you, you will clear it. You see, you have to plan your studies. Rome was not built in a day. Slowly and slowly, you should make your knowledge strong by regularly watching news, firstly. And watch the quality news, like BBC channel, like news from Rajya Sabha TV or Lok Sabha TV channel. All news are good at all channels. But for student point of view who are preparing for competitive exam, these 3 channels, BBC, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha TV, these are better ones. There are other news channels which are meant for variety of people and they have got a different clientage. You may not be benefited by that. That is one. Then don't depend on the PDF form of newspaper. This is my sincere advice, because reading it is very difficult and then in one glance you cannot see so many things. When you subscribe for paper, you at one glance you can see, you can have a look at number of headings. which one of it may be useful to you. On PDF, you keep enlarging, keep reading, keep shifting. I think that is a lot of wastage of time. Kindly subscribe a newspaper, whichever you like, or English newspaper like Hindu, Times of India, Indian Express, The Tribune, whichever you like, or maybe some other which I have not named also, which have got quality content. Then, and I'll share you one more thing. For 3 months, you don't throw your newspaper. When you sell your raddi, 3 months newspaper makes 1 month subscription. Try it out. Okay? But don't depend on PDF. Subscribe a magazine for yourself. Monthly magazine. It can be any magazine. It can be Competition Success, Competition Master, Drishti, Pratyogta Darpan, whichever you like. Almost all magazines cover similar topics. Then you should have, from whichever stream you have come, whether you have come from science, commerce or art, you should have a fair knowledge of Indian history, which we have read up to 10th standard. Geography. You should be very strong in map also. You should know the map of political and physical map of India as well as political and physical map of the world. You should be knowing like which are the Central Asian countries, which are the Scandinavian countries. Because the moment word is uttered, your eyes should go on that particular area of the world map or the map of the country. If you will keep looking left and right, that it means you are not prepared. Okay? When somebody talks about the Gulf countries, you should immediately hit about the Gulf area. You should know who is neighbor of whom, who is on the west, or who is on the east, who is on south, and who is on the north. That is required. And this is a very slow process. Just 2 months before exam, if you start preparing, then it may not be that easy for you. You may make it, you may not. But why don't you start your process at least a year in advance? Or maybe more than that. I think you should be very regular from, 8th or 9th standard. A student should be very regular in at least listening to the news. It takes half an hour, that's all. Then you should know the political developments also, which country, which government has come, who is the new president, who is the new prime minister. You should keep an eye on the new Olympic Games, Asian Games, or wherever Indian teams are participating. You should have more focus on your personal game also, because that will help you in preparing for SSB. You play football, kindly follow the football events all over the world. You should know what is going on in the Europe, what is going on in the Olympic Games, which are the better teams for the men as well as women, which are the national events of India in that particular game, which are other trophies, cups for which under 70, under 19 national team are contesting. All these things contribute for your preparation for general science and current affairs. You should know the basic elementary questions of the science, which you have studied up to 10th standard. All of us have studied science up to 10th standard. Very basic questions are there. Either it has to be, question can be from the skeletal system, or can be from respiratory system, or it can be from nervous system. These we have studied up to 10th. You can't take excuse कि सर मैं आर्ट्स वाला हूँ और जब मैप का क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो साइंस वाला कहता है सर मैं तो साइंस से हूँ. These are no excuse whether you are engineer, doctor, IAS officer, IPS officer, or army officer, or naval officer, or air force officer. You have to know your country. You know your basics. I think if you cover all these things, you will be very well prepared for this exam. Thank you. Your question is which all book you should refer for preparing for CDS as well as NDA. So I like to tell you here. Firstly, you should buy a guide. Any guide, when you land up on a bookstall, whichever writer it is, all the guides convey you the information. Guide tells you a general syllabus also, what all is being covered. That is one. After buying guide, buy this guide at least 1 year in advance, so that you are able to make a mental note of further preparation. Allot time for each paper as per your capabilities. For your strong subject, you can devote less time. For slightly difficult subject, as per you, allot more time. Carry out your studies. At least once a week, carry out time practice for the questions given in the guide. That will give you confidence in yourself. Check yourself, be true to yourself in checking. Then, for current affairs, general science, you should subscribe at least one magazine for yourself. It can be Pratyogta Darpan, Drishti, Competition Success, Competition Master, or any other magazine which you know. And I am advising you, if there are 4 or 5 friends which are preparing together, my advice you, all guides you should buy of different writers. Like all of you will have 5 different material which every writer has recommended. Same goes for the monthly magazine. One should buy Pratyogta, another should buy Competition, another should buy Competition Master, another should buy Drishti, or any other. So you have got, and you have got material to exchange. Don't hesitate in exchanging the study material. Every day listen to the news. Every day read newspaper. Give at least half an hour to news on the TV and half an hour to the newspaper. You are studying also, you are carrying out your all other exams. Concentrate on that. Allot at least 2 to 3 hours for your NDA or CDS preparation, at least 1 year in advance. And utilize your summer vacations and winter vacation, especially for this purpose. That time you can devote more time.